friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn alphabet. So let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Goodbye. Subscribe my channel. Best bell icon. Bye.
A for
Apple.
B for
Ball.
C for
Cat.
D for
Duck.
E for
Egg.
F for
Fish.
G for
Goat.
H for
Hen.
I for
Ice cream.
J for
Jack.
K for
Kite.
L for
Lion.
M for
Mango.
N for
Nest.
O for
Octopus.
P for
Parrot.
Q for
Queen.
R for
Rose.
S for
Sun.
T for
Tiger.
U for
Umbrella.
V for
Violin.
W for
Watch.
X for
Christmas tree.
Y for
Yum.
Z for
zebra.